Hi, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another video. So today's recipe is chicken tikka masala. If you are tired of trying the normal chicken curry, do give this a try for a change. So let's see the ingredients for the marination of the chicken. Ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons of thick yogurt, 1.5 teaspoons of milk powder for a creaminess. Then add quarter teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of normal red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder, then quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, and then finally salt to taste. Here you can increase or decrease the spiciness as per your taste. After mixing all the ingredients well, apply this onto the chicken. Here I am using 1 kilo chicken with bones. You can also go for boneless and then cut them into medium sized pieces. Allow the chicken to marinate for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then onto a pan, add some pure ghee and then slightly grill the chicken until it is half done. While the chicken is frying, chopping few veggies for preparing a simple rice. So mainly for cabbage I do it like this. Soaking the cabbage in salt water for at least 10 to 15 minutes and then drain before preparing the rice. Once all the chicken pieces are ready, place all of them onto the same pan and then slightly give a smoky flavor, as this is going to be a tikka masala, so we need a slightly smoky flavor. So here I have it off the flame, I have kept it low. Cook like this for at least 5 minutes and then keep it closed. Meantime, let's prepare the gravy. So for the entire dish I am using here pure ghee. You can also use butter or even oil as per your choice, but this is going to give a beautiful taste. First to the ghee, add around quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, followed by 2 cloves of garlic crushed, and then slightly saute this. Then add 3 onions finely chopped. Next onto a blender, add 2 medium-sized tomato chopped along with 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and then blend this. Once the onions are well sauteed and starts to change color, then just for a color add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, then salt to taste, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, which is optional. If you are adding chaat masala, try to add salt very less, as chaat masala has also got salt. Now roast this masalas well. Next add the tomato paste. Now this tomato has also been well cooked along with this onion gravy. Now next to this we are going to add some water. So now the gravy is ready. You can either add the chicken directly to this or pour this gravy over to the chicken. Next, add some chopped capsicum and then you can check the taste and add salt if needed. Next, this has to be allowed to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes on very low flame, covered. The tasty chicken tikka masala is almost getting ready. Finally, add around 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. To make it more rich, you can add some fresh cream while finishing it off, but here I am not adding. It goes well with your favorite side dish like parota, naan or even rice. So here I am preparing a simple veg rice. Heating some ghee and adding whole spices along with ginger and garlic paste. Then add your favorite veggies. Here I am adding chopped carrots, capsicum, cabbage and then some frozen sweet corn. To the sauteed veggies, add salt and enough hot water and then add rice. Here I have added around 2 cups of rice and cook the rice until it is perfectly done. So hope you have enjoyed watching today's video. If you have enjoyed today's recipe, do give this a try and then leave me your feedbacks. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.